Welcome to The Wizard of Investment, where we explore the fascinating world of finance and investing. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 positions in Warren Buffett's portfolio. As one of the most successful investors of all time, Buffett has built his fortune by investing in companies with strong fundamentals and long-term growth potential. We'll examine his portfolio and the key factors that led to his investment decisions. Plus, stick around till the end of the video for a special surprise that will pique your curiosity. So let's get started and discover the secrets behind Warren Buffett's investing success. Top 5 positions in Warren Buffett's portfolio. Warren Buffett is undeniably the most famous and influential investor in modern history, based on his extraordinary performance record. Not surprisingly, the investment portfolio of Berkshire Hathaway Inc., the holding company employing the Oracle of Omaha as chairman and CEO, receives wide media attention and scrutiny, even though Buffett is no longer making every investment decision. Despite his unparalleled success, Buffett's investment model has long been transparent, straightforward, and consistent. He invests in large, blue-chip companies with strong balance sheets and attractive valuations. Buffett often invests for the long term, but he's never been afraid to make significant new investments or drop long-time holdings. Here are the top 5 stocks in Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, according to the 2022 year-end report. Number 1. Apple. Apple, the maker of iPhones, is by far Berkshire Hathaway's largest stock holding at $119 billion as of year-end 2022, accounting for 39% of its stock portfolio and for 5.7% of Apple's outstanding shares. Number 2. Bank of America. Berkshire Hathaway's second largest holding is Bank of America, with a stake valued at $34.2 billion as of the end of 2022, accounting for 11% of the portfolio. Berkshire Hathaway held 12.9% of the bank's outstanding shares. Buffett acquired $700 million out of the $1 billion Bank of America shares. As of 2022, Berkshire Hathaway now holds the shares along with warrants it received when it made a $5 billion investment in the bank's preferred stock back in 2011. Number 3. Chevron. Buffett dramatically increased Berkshire Hathaway's stake in Chevron to $30 billion as of the end of 2022, making the integrated oil giant his company's third largest holding. Chevron shares accounted for 9.7% of Berkshire Hathaway's equity securities portfolio, while Berkshire's stake amounted to 8.5% of Chevron's outstanding shares. Chevron is not an evil company in the least, and I have no compunction about owning Chevron, Buffett said at Berkshire Hathaway's 2021 shareholders meeting when asked about Chevron's role in climate change. Number 4. Coca-Cola. Buffett famously consumes 5 12-ounce servings of Coke per day, and once said he is a quarter Coca-Cola, based on the drink's share of his caloric intake. Berkshire Hathaway makes do with a Coca-Cola stake of $25.4 billion, representing an allocation of 8.2% in its stock portfolio. 3 that accounts for 9.2% of Coca-Cola's outstanding stock. After Buffett began accumulating the position in 1988, he said he planned to hold it for a long time, in the next letter to shareholders. In fact, when we own portions of outstanding businesses with outstanding managements, our favorite holding period is forever, Buffett wrote. Number 5. American Express. Berkshire Hathaway's $22.4 billion stake in financial services provider American Express accounted for 7.2% of its portfolio as of the end of 2022 and 19.97% of American Express shares as of March 2022. The stake dates back to 1994 when Buffett acquired Amex stock in exchange for warrants from a $300 million preferred stock investment that returned 64% over 3 years. Berkshire Hathaway has significantly increased its American Express stake over the past decade. What is in the rest of the top 10? Warren Buffett runs the Berkshire Hathaway Holding Company, which, in turn, is a major shareholder in a number of large public companies. After the top 5 listed above, Berkshire's next largest public company investments include the Kraft Heinz Company, Occidental Petroleum Corp., Moody's Corp., Activision Blizzard Inc., HP Inc. In addition to its stakes in publicly listed companies, Berkshire Hathaway owns numerous subsidiaries, including Geico Insurance, BNSF Railways, Duracell, and International Dairy Queen Inc., among many others. What is the origin of Berkshire Hathaway's name? The Berkshire Hathaway name originated with the 1955 merger of Berkshire Fine Spinning Associates of Adams, Massachusetts, and the Hathaway Manufacturing Company of New Bedford, Massachusetts. Buffett began accumulating Berkshire Hathaway shares in 1962 and bought the company outright in 1964. He had agreed to sell his stock to management, only to discover that the tender offer's price was below what he had been promised. "This made me mad," Buffett recalled. He bought the first insurance business for Berkshire Hathaway in 1967 and closed the company's last textile mill in 1985. In conclusion, as investors go, Warren Buffett is the cream of the crop. His investment model is simple: buy blue-chip stocks, dividends never hurt anyone, at reasonable valuations and hold them for the long term. He also looks favorably at companies with strong management teams and solid balance sheets. He relies on a trusted team of advisors, most importantly Charlie Munger, his partner since the early days of Berkshire Hathaway as an investment vehicle, to help make his investment decisions. Thanks for watching The Wizard of Investment, and learning about the top 5 positions in Warren Buffett's portfolio. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. We've got plenty of exciting topics coming up that you won't want to miss, so join our community of fellow investors and become a true wizard of investment today.